Welcome to the Financial Bros channel. It's your boy Deuce.
Tony G in the building.
Tony G was good.
What's good?
Financial Bros, you know what it is. You know the team, yo. Like, share, subscribe, man. What's good, Tony?
Much, never day, never dollar.
Never day, never dollars. The stock market been plunging, and I've been copping. But in this video, we're gonna say I just thought about we're gonna give you some restaurant stocks to own that you might want to buy during the second wave of the pandemic, because the second wave is here, straight up. Every day we breaking records of new cases, straight up. And it's crazy, Tony, that I saw that it was a Stanford study that at Donald Trump rallies, it accounted for like 200 COVID deaths, like due to contact tracing. You saw it?
I ain't see that.
I ain't read that. I read a little bit of the article. I don't know how true it is, but that thing is crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and give you a few items, see stocks that you might want to buy during the pandemic, second wave. Don't forget, and show a brand, official brand of the Financial Bros. And make sure you subscribe to our Instagram page, Tony Dropping Jewels.
For sure.
So, all right. So, what's the stock you think? What's one stock you think people should go in and cop during this second wave that's coming?
Well, with the thing with the pandemic and the restaurants, you want to probably stay away from. I guess the price is going to drop, but I'm gonna tell you all companies that's going to stay open. Not all restaurants is going to be open and running as usual. So the first restaurant I'm gonna ride with Chipotle, man. They numbers been going crazy. I don't know what the stock price is right now, right off the top, but like their business when the pandemic first started went up something crazy. Like,
yeah, they still got some more room to run.
Oh yeah, it definitely got more room to run. Because one thing about this pandemic, even if you either not eating out or if you are eating out somewhere, you in and out. It's just
right. So right now, Chipotle, that shit is crazy. Because when I first started investing, Chipotle was like $800. That joint is selling at $1,200.
Right. It definitely can go up more.
52-week low was $415.
Right.
It's crazy. It's crazy that shit ran up like that. I guess they said they got a good, online presence and stuff like that.
Yeah, Chipotle, ain't even about the food. The food is cool, but it's more of a technology stock than it is restaurant for real. Everybody we eat Chipotle, but it ain't nothing must have. But their technology allows them to do business that's gonna get you in and out.
Right.
Hot right on the app, make your order, come pick it up, and that during this pandemic, ain't nobody trying to be in no restaurants, no lines.
Right, and these ain't trying to make no lines or none of that stuff. Right. That's gonna be the difference. The difference in this pandemic is gonna be who can adapt to online ordering and delivery and stuff like that. Who was another one you got for me, Tony?
Another one that's something similar to them, and that's Domino's. Domino's is another one. Their pizza is good, but the technology that they have allows their business to boom. Even no matter if it's a pandemic or not, with the contactless delivery, you can order something from Domino's and have no interaction at all. They can deliver it right there, drop it off on your steps or anything. And that stock is another one. The technology is so amazing that it just allows the stock to flourish.
Right, Domino's right now they're selling at $378.
Right, and it was up a couple weeks ago. I think it was up in the 4 to 5.
Yeah, the 52-week high was $435. The thing is, what I'm saying, but this second, the lockdown is coming, so them stocks gonna start booming again.
Right.
What's another one you got for us?
Another one, man. This is a stock been around. I didn't talk about it a lot. McDonald's. Everybody eats McDonald's. I don't eat McDonald's, but almost everybody eats McDonald's. That joint is like I said, it's one of the ones no matter what, McDonald's is here to stay. McDonald's is not going nowhere, and they pay a dividend too, so the dividend is solid, and they just here.
All right, I know that this ain't technically a restaurant, but they've been going up lately, and I own this stock, Starbucks, and I watch a lot of TV. I've been reading stuff, and with a lot of the small coffee business going out of, they will be going out of business. They're gonna be going out of business. Dunkin'
and pop.
Donut and like Starbucks. I think Dunkin' Donut just had a big deal. I think, but like they gonna take over, like, cause ain't nobody gonna have nowhere else to go to get coffee. What do you think?
Right. That's for sure. All these, like you said, all the mom and pop restaurants, they ain't gonna do well.
They
Starbucks,
can't hang. Yeah.
yeah, they can't hang. Starbucks is definitely gonna keep going up. It pay a nice dividend too, so it's definitely worth
Yeah,
the
I've been
stay.
an owner. I've been an owner of Starbucks, since I started investing, and I just saw that the CEO of Starbucks, he was on Squawk on the. She was on one of them shows I be watching, and they started really get the thing together in like in Japan, China, and stuff like that. They started to boom over there, and like they say, the mom and pop shops are gonna be dead because
Definitely.
they won't be able to compete. They won't be able to compete with the Starbucks and the Dunkin' Donuts, and you don't have no choice but to go to Starbucks and get in. And Starbucks starting to dip their feet in with the like plant-based food and stuff like that. So I think Starbucks is definitely a play. And like I said, I own Starbucks, and they've been going up recently. Over last couple of weeks, I've been noticing that Starbucks been going up for real.
Yeah, definitely. That stock ain't at 100 yet, but it's gonna get to 100 soon.
Right now, Starbucks is at $87
Right,
per share.
definitely going.
And it's almost the 52-week high is 94, so it's almost getting up to the high for real. And it haven't really been highs, but it been like a since the pandemic, it been slowly raising. You know what I'm saying? And they've been having a lot of good news lately, and that's why I think it's going to be keep on popping. And like I said, with the second wave coming,
Sure.
dude, Starbucks is going to be a play. I think.
Right. You want anything that's gonna get you in and out.
Right, in and out, and you could just order and contact delivery. So the three we had was Chipotle, there's popping, Domino's, and Tony said Mickey D's, McDonald's,
Right.
and I said Starbucks, Dunkin' Donut. You know what I'm saying? Cause the mom and pop shops, they down. They won't be able to they won't survive this. They already struggling to survive now, so they not gonna survive. So this second pandemic that's gonna come, and and on top of that, a shutdown is really probably gonna come too.
Right.
Right. So
And another extra I'm gonna throw out there that's kind of on the same topic. Get some shares of Uber Eats. I didn't use Uber Eats one time, and I've been kind of a fan ever since because Uber Eats and Grubhub and all them other companies, you can order the food, they drop it off, you can eat anywhere.
right. And them companies, and they think the companies, they need them. They need them. That's how they gonna survive.
Right.
Right.
You order some food, you pay like $2-3 extra. Uber can pick it up and bring it to your house for you. So that's
Right.
definitely
I'm gonna
something to look
definitely
at
look
as
into
well.
that one. I'm definitely gonna look into that. Say for a nice little like swing trade or something. You know what I'm saying? Cop and pop.
Right.
Hold for a little bit. But I think we gotta wrap this thing up. You don't forget, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Go on Instagram and show bros. I mean, Insured Bros.
So, bro.
Insured Brand too. Follow Insured Brand Financial Bros. That's the Instagram channel, Instagram page. And Tony dropping jewels. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and go follow that. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Out.